Even our newest weapon, the Zero Gun that fires the freezing ray, will not in the least affect him. We must find an individual who can defeat Prince Planet in direct combat, by fair means or foul.
Yes, but does such a person exist?
Indeed! Just leave these little odd jobs to me, your Royal Majesty.
Who are you anyway?
I am Warlock, Master of Martian Mysteries, and I am here to work for you. I will take any test.
You were able to break out of the petrifying ray?
That! It was easy.
Easy? You mean to say you found it easy to break out of the petrifying ray?
That's right. Just a little matter of what I call supersonic Martian calisthenics. That's all.
That's simply wonderful. Nobody has been able to do that before, Majesty. I think this could be the man we've been looking for.